Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know guys, this is not a wig. This is actually my hair. It's still really weird seeing myself with this color. I was going for a silver chrome color, but it turned out like this. It was really hard, guys. The process was long. I feel like I bleached my hair. I don't even know how many times I actually bleached my hair. But anyways, we did film it. Me and my sister did. Well, my sister did. I don't know if I'm gonna post it on my channel or maybe on hers. But I'll let you guys know. But anyways, yeah. It's still, I don't know how I feel about it, to be honest. It's weird because I never been this light before, like never in my life. But my sister was like, you should go blonde first and then do other colors. I was scared to go blonde because I don't know, I feel like I'm too like dark for blonde. I don't know. But my sister was just like, just change your hair, like you always have like dark hair, like you always like your hair like dark colors and stuff. So I was like, okay, you know what, fuck it, let's dye my hair. So this is my hair, and yes guys, it's really damaged. I need to like take care of it because it's really damaged. Anyways, if you guys would like to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. I'm going to begin by using my Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to be taking that light brown shadow and I'm just going to be applying it on my crease like so, and then I'm just blending. I decided to go in with a light shadow first and then I'm going with darker ones. And then after I finish doing that, I'm going to be taking this orange shade and I'm also going to be applying that on my crease. I decided to darken in the crease a little bit more, so I did apply this brown eyeshadow and then I just blended those shadows together. And then I'm going to be taking my chocolate gold eyeshadow palette and I'm going to be taking that dark eyeshadow, what's black, and it didn't really work that well on me. It was really harsh and it was hard to like work with, so yeah. Then I'm going to be mixing those two shimmers together and I'm just going to be applying it on my lids like so. I decided to go with this shade because it's really neutral, you know, and it's really pretty. Then I took a clean brush and to just, you know, fix the eyeshadow and just blend a little bit more. So that's what I did. Then I'm going in with this silver eyeshadow and I'm going to be applying that in my inner corners of my eyes. I really like how this shade look on me, so yeah. Anyways, then I'm going to be applying this greenish eyeshadow in my lower lash line. Then I'm just going to be applying the same shade I applied earlier, which is a dark black eyeshadow, and I'm also going to be applying that as well. And I'm just blending those shadows together. Then I applied eyeliner off camera. After that, I decided to apply dark eyeliner on my waterline. Then I'll be applying my lashes. These ones are called Stella and they're by Koko lashes. Then after I do that, I'm just going to be applying some mascara on my lower lashes, and yeah. So then I just apply some primer, you know, and then of course I did my foundation. I used my favorite foundation ever, which is the All Nighter foundation by Urban Decay. After I did that, I concealed my dark circles because, you know, I'm a mom, and guys, my dark circles, they get darker every freaking single day. after I finish setting my entire face, I'm going in with this new Tarte palette. It's a bronzer palette, and it was my first time trying it out, and yeah, that happened. Look, yep. It's really pigmented, guys, so be careful. A little bit goes a long way, so yeah, that was a mistake. So I just, I blended and blended until it was perfect. Then I'm just going to be applying some blush. After I finish doing that, I'm just going to be spraying my highlight brush with some Fix Plus, and of course I'm just going to be applying my highlight. So we came to an end, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. um like always, I'll be linking all the products that I use in this video down below for you guys to go check it out. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.